Hi Divi fans, this is Bill with Website Promoters. Today we're going to be installing an image optimization plugin. It's going to be called Smush, S-M-U-S-H, and it's a great little plugin. Now they have free versions and the premium version. With the premium version you're going to get more bells and whistles. But we're just going to go ahead and install the free version because that'll get everybody started. So the first thing we want to do is go down here, go to your dashboard, go to plugins. Okay, now you'll see we've got 4 plugins right now, but we're going to add a plugin. Come up here to the button, add plugin. Come over here, type Smush, S-M-U-S-H. It should bring up the Smush image optimization. Here it is right here. You can tell it's the correct one because it is by WPMU Dev. They make a lot of nice different plugins. Here's another one, Hummingbird for Performance. They've got a lot of them that you can check out. We're going to click on Install Now. And then we're going to click on Activate. Okay, now you're going to see it in here. You can access it in a couple different ways. You can come down here in the menu and just there, or you can just go right there, click on it from plugin, and it brings up the dashboard. And so this is what you'll see when you first start with it. And it'll have different tabs over here. Images optimized in the media library, 26%. So obviously they're not all done. And so if we scroll down, we can look for to Smush. You can, on the dashboard, you'll see a lot of options, or you can go to them directly. Bulk Smush, Directory Smush, Lazy Loading, CDN, Next Gen Formats, Integrations, Settings, Tutorials. Okay, and the tutorials are nice because you can pick on your topic and they'll tell you a great deal of information. They make really good tutorials on different products. And so we will go back over to the dashboard. We can click on Bulk Smush. That's the easiest way of compressing your images. You have 66 images that need compressing. Click on Bulk Smush. And that's not really that many options. I mean images. 66 images is not really a huge amount. As you'll see, the counter will go from 1 to 100. This should probably take, about another 10 seconds. You can look over here and it will tell you that it's on image 15 of 66, and you can just follow it right away. Here you'll see the progress bar. They kind of all work together. 48%. Now here's the estimated savings of what you're saving on the files, 273 kilobytes, 125 images smushed. The mode, there are different modes. Come down here, smush mode. They have basic, super, and ultra. Ultra is the highest level of compression, It's going to give you approximately 5 times greater than super, so it is about the best that you can get with this company. And we're going to select image sizes, all. WordPress generates multiple image thumbnails for each image you upload. Choose which of those thumbnail sizes you want to include in bulk smushing. We want to smush everything. 57%. Automatic compression. If you check this here, make it active, automatically compress my images on upload. That's a good way to do things. That way you don't have to worry about logging in and going to the plugin and doing them individually. One of the features here is to strip the image metadata. It's generally not needed, and it does add to the size of the image. Metadata for photos photos often store camera settings in the file, focal length, date, time, location. Removing the data reduces the file size. It doesn't take out the SEO metadata. Okay, and we're just about done there. 90%. You see it has total savings of 11.8 megabytes, so it really compresses these images on Ultra tremendously. Image 62 of 66, almost done. Probably another 5-10 seconds, and we'll be all done. Okay, 100% of the images are optimized. It saved a total of 12.5 megabytes. That's quite a bit. 482 images optimized. So we can see down here, these are other image settings that you can select. You can go through them one at a time. As of version 5.3 of WordPress, WordPress creates a scaled version of uploaded images over a certain size, 2560 by 2560. It's always a good idea when you create images to make them the correct size for how you're going to use them. That will reduce the file size tremendously. Imagization software will still help, but you won't need it as much. And you can optimize the original images, and you can also back them up. If you need to restore them, you can convert PNGs to JPEGs. You can also receive an email notification when any time it runs a bulk smush. And if you want to, you can always restore this settings. Come down here. It's very important that you actually save these settings. Okay, your settings have been updated. So now okay, lazy loading is active. Okay, what that's going to do, it's not going to load the images until actually the user starts to scroll down to where the content becomes visible. This is going to help the pages load a lot faster. These are default settings of post types where you can enable or disable lazy loading. Like if you want it on the front page, if you want it on blogs or pages. It gives you a lot of control. You can also enter them manually. Gives you just a lot of settings. This is native lazy loading. I would leave this off because sometimes It can cause conflicts. And they also have CDN available. You can save things in next gen formats, which compresses them even more. And there's a lot of different options available to you if you want to use it with different types of software to be more optimized. And so now that we have gone ahead and done that, we're going to load the page to see how it looks. It loaded very quickly. This is a new development site just starting out, but we do have a bunch of blogs on it, blog posts, more blog posts and pages. But so what we're going to do now is we're going to just go ahead and run a speed test on it. Now this is a website, GTmetrix, that is used quite often for speed test for your web pages. And you can use it for free a few times a month, not very many, but a few. And so they have premium paid plans, but if you're just doing like 1 or 2 pages a month, I think up to 5, there's really no need to. It's using Chrome, browsing from Vancouver, so it's pretty realistic. We'll just type in the website. That's all I have to do, and then click on Analyze. And this will give us some results for the speed of the web page now that we have installed and activated Smush. The images are going to be your largest drag on load times. And so it is generating report. Okay, now with the plugin activated, it gives a score of A, performance 99 out of 100, structure 97 out of 100, largest contentful paint 880 microseconds. They do have other tabs. It's basically a perfect score in reality, but they do have a performance tab that you can look at here. It'll give you speed index, largest contentful paint, first contentful paint, time to interactive, total blocking time 0 microseconds. That's very fast. I hardly ever see 0. A lot of times it'll be 0.1, 0.05. Cumulative layout shift is 0.01. So the website's very, very, very fast. And this is running on WordPress with the Divi 5 Alpha. We'll go back to the dashboard and show the you can look at it here. It's the Divi theme. It's running Alpha 12.1, but they do have a new version available, 13.1. And for you Divi fans that are looking to get started with Divi Alpha, it's a great tool to play around with. I would not use it on existing websites for now, but if you're making a new website and you just want to play around with it, I think that that's great. So I want to thank you folks very much for watching the video. Also, if you enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It tells us that you like our content and it incentivizes us to make more videos. So we will see you at the next video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.